Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Math Today. Let's review our solid shapes and then let's get going on making a cube. Say sphere. Say cylinder. Say cube. Cube. Say pyramid. Say cone. Okay. Now, we are going to focus today on making a cube. Now, when you make it, you don't have to have what I have. In your art bags or your creation station bags, you might still have your toothpicks. In the first material bag that you have, you still might have your Play-Doh. You can use straws, marshmallows, you can use gumdrops, Play-Doh, toothpicks, you can use Q-tips, anything like that. Let me show you. This is always so fun to do. All right. So what we're going to do first is I think I'm going to use toothpicks. So I'm going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10, 11, and 12. I'm going to count out 12 toothpicks. And I think I'll use marshmallows for my first one. And I'm going to count out 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's get started. First, you take your toothpick and you put a marshmallow on each side. And what you're going to start with is making your 2D flat shape of a square because the cubes have square faces. We might be able to see this cube better without the white paper. I might take it off in just a minute. So there is your 2D shape of a square. Next, you take your toothpicks and you poke them up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, some of it might fall. That's why it might be a good idea if you use marshmallows to let them get a little stale. And you put the marshmallows on the top of them. Then you put the last of your toothpicks in, making them all connect. And you'll have your cube. Just like that. That is a 3D cube shape. Now, I'm going to use, maybe I'm going to make a bigger one with straws, gumdrops. Let's make another one. Put that one over there. All right. Let's see. This one might be even harder. Yeah. These straws, you really have to dig those in there. Let me see. Sometimes it's just trial and error. And if it doesn't work, you can find something else. These straws may not be strong enough, so I'm going to take them out. And I'm going to put the toothpicks back. Now, what I learned from that is gumdrops are harder. So I probably could have put the gumdrops, you know, in the toothpicks like this and put the marshmallows in the straws. You'll just have to play and see what works. So here's my square, because cubes have square faces, you see? And then I put the toothpicks up like this. You might have gumdrops just because a lot of people that celebrate Christmas might have gumdrops around the house. You might have marshmallows because lots of people are drinking hot chocolate during this time. But I know you have your Play-Doh because we gave you guys some Play-Doh in our material bags. And I know you have some toothpicks. We gave you those too. Also, you could use those tongue depressors that we put in your Creation Station bags. These. You could also use these. Here's your second cube, just like this. And there you go. And you can have fun putting them together, making a rectangular prism. You could also see if you can make maybe a pyramid. So what I'll do is I'll take all these off. Like this. And what you could do is you put all four of these together with just one marshmallow, and I'll show you what happens. Instead of having 4 marshmallows, you just use one and you put all 4 of the tips on there, and there is your pyramid. Look at that. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you enjoy making your cubes, your rectangular prisms, your pyramids. It's always a lot of fun.